So this is the accident that just happened. You know, they pull over the side of the road to a safe location. And you see the debris there on, I'll have it right there in my right repeater. There you go. So it just happened. Okay, this guy right here, slow merge, no signal. You know, the typical stuff. I have plenty of these, but I try not to post all of them. This guy does signal, but he goes all the way to the left lane and realizes a car coming. Then he decides, whoa, that's not a good idea. Now, you see there's no cars behind me. Now, this guy, he just, instead of going behind to exit, he goes right in front. You know, like, that's very typical. You see a car, they just want to skip everybody, even if it's, like, right there, you know. I could say give the benefit of the doubt here because it does look like it was a last-minute exit. Who knows? He goes over the white lines, you know. Okay, now this guy, no signal. You know, it's typical stuff. And then this one's the same thing, but more aggressive, you know, a little faster. Now, this guy, you know, over the white lines, this is how side swipes happen, you know. Then they want to claim it's your fault. This one's another casual, slow merge, no signal. You know, the very typical stuff. It's another one, a little faster, but again, no signal from left all the way to the right lane. Again, we have plenty of these, you know. This is another one, a little closer, a little more aggressive. This guy just, like, goes through the stop sign. You know, very casual and slow, but, you know, you have to make a full, complete stop. But, you know, I guess he treats it like a yield sign, you know, just slow down. There's a little debris on the road that I was managed to avoid. Now, this guy right here, this is probably one of the baddest cutoffs. You know, the autopilot reacted, so it's fine. But as far as how close he got to the car. Now, this guy, all of us is waiting in the line, just making that left, and he just skips everybody and makes that left as soon as the light turns green. No patience. Another no signal, you know. This car right here, no signal, goes ahead. You know, no caring. This is another one. He does signal, but, you know, a little more aggressive. You know, I guess that left lane over there, you know, everyone's doing speed limit. You figure I'm doing the speed limit, I have it on autopilot, so you figure that car in the left lane is also doing somewhat the speed limit, maybe a little bit more. But I guess people don't obey the speed limit. They just want to go faster. You know, this is another one, same thing, you know, skipping everybody in the left lane. This guy is I guess a little fast merge over there. And then this one just cuts me off as that's happening. Like you know, paper plate just flinging around. I have a video on that too that I did separately. This is another one who exits over the solid white lines. You know, maybe he forgot to exit. You know, at the end of the day, he's still disregarding traffic rules. Now, this one the Sentry Mode picked up. I guess she got close, but, you know, didn't tap the car or anything like that. But close enough where the Sentry Mode lights just came on there. She saw it. You know, it's pretty cool features the car has. And as she's going by, this car's reversing. Didn't see her. And then she's trying to get out the way quick. And he realizes, oh, and he brakes. This guy right here goes over the solid white line. You know, instead of staying in the lane he was in, he crosses over. Then the light is going to eventually turn green. Then as he's making the left turn, he cuts in front of me on the turn. So he cuts me off. You know, that right there could have been an accident. So there you go. It was between frames of the two clips. That's why you see a little, like, jitter there. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and take care.